Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? This is the latest update, and a lot of holders are doing very big mistakes, especially at the end of month. This is the last day of this month, my friend, and try to understand to all holders completely in the loss, my brother. You know why? There's one big reason, and absolutely, if you are doing this mistake, exactly you also lost, my brother. So try to understand, watch this video, and absolutely understand, my brothers, to what's going on in the future, in upcoming times. In a June, can they will give you a good profit, and what you do sell, hold, or buy in the current times, especially what do a short time investor and what do long time investor. And remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, my brother, please try to understand. If you ever take any decision, please research personally. This time you can see, my brother, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely gonna show you to the change occur will be negative. So it's mean to in the last 1 month, last 1 week, they are completely in the loss. It's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time there is more chances they will wake up. You know why? I also use this formula, especially my brother, from last 3 years. So I have a 3 year experience in a craft market, so therefore my parents, I clearly teach my brothers to upcoming time they will move upward or not, my brothers. You can see this time they falls down. You can see after a jump they falls down. You can see here, and after a good jump, after a very huge jump, my friends, they falls down. Every cryptocurrency is moving up like a deck, so it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances they will wake up and they take a very huge jump now. So holders don't see this short fails, this short jump, my brother. I hope in upcoming times they will move upward and they will give you very good profit. Minus 12.95% they fails down just and only in the last 1 month. So if we check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour, then we understand, my brother, to really this in upcoming time there is a chance they will moving upward. There is no chance, my brother. You could see here minus 1.51% they fell down just in only in the last 1 hour. And especially remember to all capital market is wake up now for a long time, and today is the last day of this month. So therefore try to understand, holder, to don't sell it. If you are a short-term investor, then sell it tonight. I hope, my friends, tonight they will give you very good profit, but don't sell it, my brother, anytime, my brother. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more of this type videos.